I'm Josh Burton from Action Corrosion. This is our in-house coating service. Just to let our customers know, this is what the inside of the HVAC units should look like. Last few months we've been finding this, and this is one of the major manufacturers and the more expensive units. But yeah, the last 2 months we find there's no coating on the inside. We have let the companies know, but you've got to let your customers know that these are just undercoated, there's no coating on them. And we're finding it more and more and more. If it's in a coastal location, you will look at about 6 months and that'll just start rusting from the inside out. So it's really important that you get a coating such as Action HVAC-R. This is a panel, an internal panel which is properly coated, and this is what we're finding. So you can see it's just undercoat really. There's no top coat on it at all.